Okay, today we are going to discuss about few problems based on quantitative aptitude. Now we are going to discuss the first problem. If the average of three consecutive even numbers is 34, find the largest of these numbers. What are the option is given? First one is A 30, second one is B 32, third one is C 34, and fourth one is D 36. So what is the given condition? If the average of three consecutive even number is 34, that is a given condition. We know that if we take any three consecutive even numbers, then if you find the average of the three numbers, then we can get the average value is the middle number of the three numbers. Okay, for example, if we taking 2, 4, 6, what is the average? That is a sum of all these values divided by total number of values. So 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 12. Then whole divided by total number of value, that is 3. So we can get 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. That is the middle number of the three consecutive even numbers. So likewise here the average value is 34. That means 34 is the middle number of the three consecutive even numbers. So what is the preceding of 34? That is 32, because we can consider only the even numbers. What is the succeeding even number? 36. So from this three number, which one is the largest number? 36. So here we can apply the logic. If we take any three consecutive even number, then the average of that three number is the middle one of these three numbers. Okay, we using that logic here. Now we can go and discuss this direct method. Let the first exam number is x. Then the next two even numbers would be x plus 2, x plus 4. Now we can take it x is the first even number. Then the other two consecutive even number is x plus 2 and x plus 4. So now we can apply the average formula. That is sum of all these values divided by total number of values. That is x plus x plus 2 plus x plus 4 whole divided by 3. So what is the average value is given? 34. Okay. Then if you adding all the x variable 3x. Then plus that sum of numerical value 2 plus 4 6. Then whole divided by 3 is equal to 34. Okay. Now we can bring this 3 value to right hand side. We can get 3x plus 6 is equal to 102. Okay. Then if we bring 6 into right hand side, then 3x is equal to 102 minus 6 96. Then what will be the x? X is equal to 96 divided by 3. So x value is equal to 32. So 32 is the first number. Then what is the next number? 32 plus 2, that is 34. What is the another one number? 32 plus 4, that is 36. So among these three, which one is largest? 36. Okay. Now we go for second problem. A mother is twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago the age of mother was 10 times the age of the son, what is the present age of the mother? So here two condition is given. A mother age is twice as old as her son. That is the first condition. Suppose if we taking son age is x, then mother age is twice, so 2x. What is the second condition? 20 years ago, that is previous, the age of the mother was 10 times the age of the son. Suppose if we taking the son age is x, then mother age is 10 into x. Okay. So now we want to find out the present age of the mother. So here first we can indirectly find the value, then we can apply some formulas for finding mother's age. Okay, so now look at, suppose the first option is the answer. We can consider 38 is a mother's age. What is 20 years ago the mother age? Suppose if we consider 38 as a current age of mother, then 18. Okay, what is the second condition is given? 10 times. Okay, mother age was 10 times the age of the son. Suppose mother age is 18 means what is the son age? That is 18 divided by 10, that is 1.8. Okay, so 20 years ago mother age is 18, son age is 1.2. Now we bring into the current age. So if you add 20 for both sides, that is 18 plus 20, 38. Okay, then 18 plus 1.8, not 18, and that 20 plus 1.8, 20 plus 1.8, that is a 21.8. So if you adding 2 times the son age, that age is equal to the mother age. Here 21.8 means that is a 43.6, but that is not equal to 38. Okay, now we can take it the second option, 40 years. Okay, then 20 years ago what is the mother age? 20. Then what is the son age? 20 years ago, that is 20 divided by 10, 2. Okay, so 20 years ago mother age is 20, son age is 2. Now we can bring it to the current age. So 20 plus 20, 40 years. Mother's current age is 40, son current age is 22. If you twice the son age, then it is equal to the current age of the mother. If you twice the son age, that is 44. But actually what is option B, 40. So which is also not correct. If we taking for third example, that is 43 is the current age of mother. Then 20 years ago the mother age is 23. So now what is the age of son before 20 years? That is 2.3. So now we can find out the current age of mother and son. That is 43 for mother age, then 22.3 as the son age. If you twice the son age, then that is equal to the current age of the mother. Okay, so 22.3 means that is a 44.6. That is also not equal to 43. Okay, now we can go for the last option, D. So we can consider as a mother's current age is 45. Then 20 years ago what is the mother age? 25. So using the 25 we find out the son age before 20 years. So that means 25 divided by 10, 2.5. Okay, so mother age is 20 years ago 25, son age is 2.5. So now if you add 20 both sides, then we can get the current age of mother and son. So mother age is 25 plus 20, 45, son age 2.5. Okay, then 22.5, that is 20 plus 2.5, 22.5. If you double the son age, then which is equal to the mother age. So 22.5 plus 22.5, that is equal to 45. So we get the correct answer, that is mother age is twice as old as her son. So what is the current option? 45. So now we can go for a direct method. Let the age of son equal to x years, age of mother would be 2x, because mother age is twice the son age if we consider as a current period. So now we can find out 20 years ago. Okay, so what is the son age? X minus 20. What is the mother age? 2x minus 20. So now we using the given condition, that is a mother age is equal to 10 times of son age. So 10 into son age equal to mother age 20 years ago. Okay, 10 into x minus 20 equal to 2x minus 20. If you simplify it, 10x minus 200 equal to 2x minus 20. Okay, we bring the 2x into left hand side and 200 into the right hand side. So what we will get? 10x minus 2x equal to minus 20 plus 200. Okay, then 8x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 divided by 8, that is equal to 22.5. So that is the current age of son. Then what is the mother age? That is the twice the son age. So 22.5 into 45 years. Now we go for a third problem. If two spheres have the radii in the ratio 2:3, okay, we want to find out the ratio of their volume is. So if you indirectly find the answer for this question, volume is considered as a 3-dimensional. So we can take it cube value for the given ratio, then we can get the answer. That is 2 cube is to 3 cube. So what is 2 cube value? 2 into 2 into 2, 8. What is 3 cube value? 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Then what is the ratio? 8 is to 27. So that is the first option. So now we can apply some direct method. Let the radius of both spheres, because we consider two sphere. So first sphere consider the radius small r, second sphere consider the radius capital R. Okay. Already they given the ratio of the radius is small r is to capital R equal to 2:3. Okay, we know that volume of sphere equal to 4/3 pi r cube. If you finding the ratio of the two sphere by using volume, means that 4/3 pi will be cancelled because that value is common for both sphere. Now we can get it only r cube is to capital R cube. So what is the small r value? To capital R value equal to 3 according to the given ratio. So now we can get it 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cubes equal to 27. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. So what is the correct answer? 8 is to 27. So now we can go for another one problem. If the average of 20 number is 0, how many numbers may be greater than 0? Okay, what are the 4 options given? A is 19, B is 49, C is 17, D is 33. Okay, here what is average formula? Sum of all the value divided by total number of value. Okay, here the total average value is 0. When we get average value is 0, if the sum of all the values equal to 0, then we can get it the average value is 0. So if we get the sum of all the values 0, there is a possibility for 10 values are negative, same value, 10 values are positive values and 10 values are negative values. Then we can get it all values are same values only. Okay, if we consider for 5 positive values and 5 negative values and 5 positive values for B and 5 negative values for B, then automatically we get 0. So likewise here they asked for how many negative values and positive values is may be considered in that one. But what is the question? We want to find out the greater than 0 values only. How many possible number available greater than 0. Okay, so here you can consider 19 values are positive value. What is the 20th value? The sum of all these 90's value we can consider as a 20th value, but the sign is negative sign. Then automatically the sum value is equal to 0. Because suppose if we consider the example first 19 values as 1, then the last 20th number is minus 19. Then automatically if you add all these 20 numbers, then the sum value equal to 0. Then automatically average value is 0. So how many possible positive numbers are there? 19. So average of 20 numbers equal to 0, that is given. So what is the sum of 20 numbers? That is average value into total number of value. So 0 into 20 equal to 0. So it's quite possible that 19 of these numbers may be positive, and if their sum is x, suppose if we consider the sum of 19 values is x, then the 20th number will be the minus x, then only the sum value equal to 0. So how many possibilities available to get the greater than 0? 19. So now we go for fifth problem. What smallest number should be subtracted from 9805 so it is divisible by 8? So we already know that if we say any number is divisible by 8, then the last 3-digit number is divisible by 8. Okay, using that logic we can find out the which value we want to subtract. Suppose if we taking the last 3-digit 805, if we divided by 8, then what is the remainder? 5. Okay, so if we subtract 5 from the given number, we can directly get the remaining number as a divisible by 8. So 9805 minus 5, we can get it 9800 and 800. So that number is divisible by 8. So 5 is the smallest number we want to subtract from this. So on dividing 9805 by 8, the remainder is 5. So 5 is the smallest number which would be subtracted from 9805 to make it is divisible by 8. So what is the option? 5. Okay, here we discuss both shortcut method as well as direct method. So which one is easy to you can handle that method for competitive exam. Okay, thank you. Thanks.